Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download Keypirinha on your Windows computer. We'll use the official source, make sure you get the latest version, and get everything ready for installation. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, search for Keypirinha or go directly to the official Keypirinha website. Yeah, it's always best to download software from the official website so you're getting the latest and safest version. Once you're on the website, look for the download section. You'll usually see the latest stable release available there. Take a quick look at the version number, just to make sure you're downloading the newest release. Next, click the download link for the portable zip package. Keypirinha doesn't need a traditional installer, so once you click the link, your browser should begin downloading the zip file automatically. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder and make sure the zip file is there. If the download didn't finish the first time, just head back to the website and download it again. Now you're ready for the next step. Extract the zip file to any folder you like, such as your desktop or documents folder. Once it's extracted, you'll be able to launch Keypirinha directly from that folder whenever you want. And that's it. Yeah, that's how to download Keypirinha safely in 2026. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.